Welcome to Vlog channel. You're now watching Fairy Tail anime. Don't forget to subscribe, click like and share. Please hit the notification bell for more other information. You're now watching Fairy Tail anime. Enjoy your day and loving Fairy Tail anime. Enjoy your watching.
Sad and
You're now
empty.
watching Fairy Tail anime. Enjoy your day and loving Fairy Tail anime. Enjoy your watching.
Fish is at its yummiest when it's raw and slimy.
But you guys make it seem like no time has passed.
Speaking of time, Lucy, are we there yet?
Ah! Whoa, that's you! Know what kind of monster this is? First it lures people in with its fluffy fur. Then it gobbles them up in a single bite. What did you say? I heard these things are supposed to be super
You're
tasty.
now watching
Yeah.
Fairy Tail anime. Enjoy your day and loving Fairy Tail anime. Enjoy your watching.
Serious?
What's the matter? You full already? We did. It sure wasn't easy.
But we pulled it off, just like always.
Right.
We'd always be together. They're all out there somewhere.
I told you nothing beats the flavor of a perfectly grilled fish. Okay, check this out, Happy.
Well, so much for nostalgia.
Where are we now?
Thule Village.
Something wrong, pal?
Should I trash it again? I'm going crazy! What? I fought the winners of the magic games, but they were all sucky! I barely even broke a sweat with those losers!
You're pretty crazy.
You think Gray's easy?
I've got an idea, Lucy. Let's get it on.
What? No way! But actually, I've been doing some super secret training on my own.
Huh?
I mean, I know that I can never beat you in a serious fight.
Hold that thought.
What now?
Sorry, old-timer! You should have come out here with some protection if you didn't want bad stuff to happen to you!
Jeez! Were you trying to kill me just now? Just so you know, I have gotten really strong.
Cool, but I'm still not feeling fired up.
Seemed like it to me.
What? So nobody?
Surely we can turn up some leads in Marguerite. That's where Lamia Scales Guild Hall is.
Oh, the one with Leon and Jura? I smell a chance to show off my skills.
Don't forget about that doggy man.
Yep. Wanna guess who else is in Lamia Scale now? It may surprise you.